Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. To all my subscribers out there, hello and hi. Stay safe, everybody. So, I'm here again for today's video. I'm going to show you how to prepare or how to cook chicken caldereta. So, to my roommate, my colleague, Mr. Mario Marqueta, shout out. I'm here now. I'm doing your menu. So I will try to cook this chicken caldereta for the first time. So please watch till the end the video, mga besh, mga bay. So let's start. So, I'm here now, mga besh, mga bay, mga Uragon. So, I'm going to start the cutting of all the ingredients. I will show you one by one. Of course, my first ingredients here. Wow. This is the chicken. Baka naman, chicken. So, and then I have also here bell pepper, and then the potatoes and the carrots. I have here 3 potatoes, 3 or 4, something like that. Oh, there's 4 potatoes here, small one, and then the other one medium size. This is the mother. This is the father. This is the eldest daughter. And this is the youngest son. And I have 2 carrots here, 1 bell pepper, and then the main ingredients is, this is the Mamacita's caldereta mix. Wow! So this is not sponsor, guys. So I just want to show you. First thing to do is I will remove all the skins of these sweet potatoes. So I will take this plastic bag for the garbage. So first thing to do is to cut all the skin of the potatoes. What's it? So I will put it in this bowl. Oh, baby. The baby potato. So next, I will remove the skin of carrots. Next. Next, I will cut the bell pepper. I will cut this also the carrots. Just like this, and cut in small pieces. You see? As you can see. Next is, hold on, remove the skin. I will skin the onions, remove it, and then, see, later I will cut this onion after wash. Also, garlic. I will wash this first, then I will cut it later. I will introduce small chili for taste. So I will wash this one of this top size. So then we'll start cooking. Now I will ready to begin to start the cooking process. So I'm here at the kitchen, guys. So I'm going to wash all the stuffs before I start to cook. Okay. So let's start. Next, I'm going to wash the chicken. So, no need to cut it, guys. So, already cut. Oh, this is all chicken wings. Buddy, this is all chicken wings, not mix. Only one part. Squeeze it just to remove the water. Okay. So I'm going to slice the onion. I will crack the garlic too. It's done. So enough. I just have 2 garlic cloves. Remove the skin. I will crack also some what is black pepper. So ayan, this is it. So ready for the saute. So this is the all ingredients: carrots, potatoes, and then the bell pepper, red chili also. I will cut it, I will divide it into 2 or 4 like this. I will remove the seeds. Okay. So let's start cooking process. So let's start cooking, guys. So this is the onion, as you can see. Next, I will put the garlic. So this is it. So I'm going to put the chicken. This is the chicken. This is it. This is all chicken wings, guys. Caldereta chicken wings. So let's add the black pepper. Now I'm going to put some water. The salt. Oh, baka naman. I'm using also some seasoning. Baka naman. So I will put the cover and let them boil for a minute. Oh, it's very hot here in our kitchen. This is our dirty kitchen. Mga guys, mga bay. So let's see the chicken. Oh, it's good. It's good. It's cooked already. So now I'm going to put the caldereta mix. Okay. I will put again the cover. Let them boil. So hot, guys. This is our dirty kitchen. So we have only here the exhaust fan, dirty because it's dirty too. So let's see. Wow, nice. Now I'm going to put the other ingredients, carrots and the potatoes. See, all together, put all together. Then mix it up. I will add also the red chili pepper, chili. Okay. I will put again the cover. So let's check again. Oh, la la. Wow. This is the chicken wings caldereta, the Cool Express The Uragon style. So that's it, guys. So stop the fire. So it is already cooked, done. So let us taste the chicken caldereta. So let us taste the chicken caldereta, mga buddy. Let's taste. Let's see. What is the taste? I think it's good taste. So, wow, oh la la. Looks good. Yun. So, let's try. One chicken piece and one of this bell pepper. One potato, one carrots, some sauce. Oh la la. Okay. So yeah, let's try. So this is it. It's so hot. Oh, pwede na rin. It's a bit of salty, buddy. Medyo maalat-alat yung asin. Pero pwede na rin. Oh. Oh. So this is it. This is only for today, guys. So from me, Cool Express The Uragon. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to notify you if I had uploaded the new videos. So this is only for today. Thank you for watching and bye bye.